In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter.ai to automatically capture your meetings and transform the results into actionable tasks using ChatGPT and Notion, all while automating parts of the process to save you time and effort. Let's dive in and see how this can revolutionize the way you handle meetings. Firstly, Otter.ai is a powerful tool that offers a range of features designed to make capturing meeting details a breeze. It not only records meetings on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams but also transcribes the speech to text in real time. What's more, it identifies speakers and creates automatic summaries and key points, so you're always on top of the meeting essentials. To get started, you'll need to install the Otter Chrome extension. This handy extension allows Otter to automatically join your meetings. Once in the meeting, it will seamlessly record and transcribe the entire session, without any additional input from you. After the meeting wraps up, you can easily export the notes or summary, giving you instant meeting notes without lifting a finger to type. To take these notes from Otter.ai and turn them into a clean, actionable summary, you can use ChatGPT. This tool is incredibly versatile, able to summarize the entire meeting in just seconds. It extracts action items, highlights key decisions, and even outlines follow-up tasks. For a detailed, structured prompt, use something like this. Summarize the meeting transcript below. Include key decisions, action items with owners, deadlines, issues raised, and next steps. If you need, you can also ask ChatGPT to format the meeting information into a one-page report or an email update, depending on what works best for you. Next, to keep everything organized, store all this information in Notion, your ultimate meeting hub. To set it up, start by creating a meetings database. Add essential fields such as date, team, summary, action items, transcript, and status. Then, take the summary you received from ChatGPT and paste it into the summary field. You can attach the Otter transcript in the transcript field for easy reference. Notion also allows you to use relations to link tasks to your existing task manager database, keeping everything connected. For added efficiency, you can introduce a template button to quickly create a new meeting notes page, and leverage comments and tags for quick retrieval. Finally, if you're interested in automating further, consider using tools like Zapier or Make.com to automatically send new Otter transcripts to Notion. Similarly, use ChatGPT's Notion AI to tidy up summaries right within Notion, and set Notion reminders to send follow-up notifications. This optional step can considerably streamline your workflow. The end result is a fully automated meeting process, where meetings are auto-recorded and transcripts are automatically captured. ChatGPT creates clean summaries, and Notion stores everything neatly. Action items become real tasks, and nothing gets lost or forgotten. You'll find that this cohesive approach dramatically improves how meetings are documented and managed, freeing up your time and reducing stress. So, I hope you find this guide helpful and start implementing this automated workflow to enhance your productivity.